Hi, I'm Mike from White Rhino, and today we're going to show you how to perform a brake inspection. Step 1, jack it up and put it on jack stands. Step 2, remove the hubcap and the 4 lugs holding the rim on. Step 3, remove the brake drum. Inspect the drum and the pads for any wear. Pretty dirty. You have to inspect this for any grooves. There's a little light grooving in here, but definitely doable. Now you can see here the thickness of the rear pad is a lot thicker than this pad here. So this one's doing the majority of the work here, while this one's barely scratching the surface. So on the opposite side, it's probably the same thing. So I would recommend to this customer to change their brakes. The front drum, at least one kit will change the left and the right. Okay, this particular customer decided not to change the brakes at the moment. So what we're going to do is go ahead and clean the surrounding area as well as the pads and the drum to ensure that they work properly. If you don't have the time to service your brakes, call White Rhino. We'll be more than happy to help you. Be sure to follow us for more maintenance videos.